Entry Door Actuator 2.0 kits are now available on your custom handicap accessible Dunesport toy hauler. Check this out. This key fob here opens and closes your entry door super smooth and even sucks the door in to close like a Cadillac. This 26H2 model here is loaded with upgrades. Let's check it out. Magnetic door catches on the entry door. Here in the bedroom, we have all your controls here to the left. Huge wardrobe storage here in the bedroom with a built-in nightstand below. A second furnace, a queen bed, full wraparound overhead cabinets with puck lights throughout, a TV here at the foot of the bed. Coming into the bathroom here, we've got some upgraded grab bars, a custom sink, storage above, a recessed medicine cabinet, porcelain toilet, a nice roll-in shower with a shower seat. Lots of storage in this shower with some shelves and an adjustable shower head. We've got a pocket door on each side here to the bedroom, and then also another one here to the kitchen. A 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge here in the kitchen. Good sized fridge and freezer. Corian counters with undermount sink. It's a huge single basin. Wheelchair lift, storage above it with a shelf built in it. These are taller overhead cabinets. We've got a flip down counter here. Day-night shades throughout the entire coach. Dual Happy Jack beds in the rear. You got the queen above, opposing sofas below that fold into a bed. It's also got a patio on the rear ramp door. We've got a recessed stainless steel 3-burner cooktop with oven here. A vented hood range above and a microwave here in this overhead cabinet. Taller overhead cabinets with a shelf on this side as well. Plenty of storage in this kitchen and living quarters. You got a 40-inch TV that folds down from the ceiling with a remote. And just check this trailer out. It's laid out perfect for a family of 4. We've got upgraded aluminum wheels and suspension with the Road Armor shock-absorbing equalizers. A 21-foot awning spanning down the passenger side. This is our light gray fiberglass with our vinyl exterior decals. We've got floodlights here that are lowered on the wall so someone in a chair can access. A storage box for tools. Pass-through storage underneath this bed and another storage box below that. American flag logo on the front. And this trailer is ready to go. Our customers are here picking up their toy hauler from Port Orchard, Washington. If you've followed Dunesport for some time, you'd notice that most of our customers are out of state. We truly enjoy helping everyone, not only wheelchair community, but everyone get the trailer of their dreams. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all the fan base. Continue to like and follow. Have a great day.